Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to archive projects in Asana. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Asana account. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel and go ahead over to your projects. Okay. Now, for example, this project right here, I'm just going to click on it as this is a sample where we wanted to archive this project. All right. At the top here, we have the name of the project. Just go ahead and click on the drop down, which says actions. All right, just click on it. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, we have the option for archiving. Just go ahead and click on it. And as you can see here, it says project to archive was marked as archived. All right, if you want to undo it, just click on undo. If not, just hit on the X button. Now, where do we see our archived projects? All right, so just go ahead and refresh your Asana dashboard. Now, when we go to home right here in our dashboard and scroll down, under projects, we have this one. It says here archived. All right. And on the left panel, it's gone. So if you want to recover it, just click on the three dots. And as you can see here, we have the option to unarchive. All right. Just click on unarchive. And as you can see here, it is now on our projects section. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.